Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about cooking, traveling and looking for great places to eat. And this video is about Nyon, one of the most beautiful towns I have ever seen. When you are there, it makes you feel like you are in a postcard. Make sure you watch the video till the end, because the further I walked, the more beautiful were the views of the town. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will also show you an amazing way to have your lunch, which will make you happy for the rest of the day. This incredible town is situated on Geneva Lake between Lausanne and Geneva. And can you imagine, this town is more than 2000 years old. It was founded by the Romans between 50th and 44th years BC. And these Roman columns are the symbols of Nyon. Look at this beautiful view. And wait a bit, even more breathtaking views are coming soon. And as I continue my walk, I'm planning to go down closer to the lake. I absolutely love these small, beautiful and cozy streets. Have you ever been to Nyon? If yes, please let me know in comments what you liked the most. And here is beautiful Geneva Lake. I'm walking towards the beach where I will have my incredible lunch, but before, have a look at those views. I'm walking through a fishing station, which you have to see while being here. Another beautiful path, and I'm arriving to the beach restaurant. And look where I'm going to eat. I will be sitting literally on top of the water. I have ordered burger and fries and absolutely enjoyed them. What an incredible feeling to have your lunch looking at this crystal clear water. After the main meal, my dessert has arrived, and look at this. Can you imagine how tasty it was? I'm walking back towards the castle, and very soon it will be the time to share one of the best views I have ever seen. Just look at this, it really feels like you're in a postcard. The castle was built in the middle of the 12th century. And now it's the time to climb the stairs. Here is the view I was talking about. After leaving the castle, we are getting into the town's main square. Another place to see is the statue of Julius Caesar. It is situated close to the Roman Museum, a couple of minutes away from the Nyon's castle. If you enjoyed this walk, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.